Have you ever dreamed of becoming a Dubai police officer? In this video, I will show you how to apply for Dubai Police in 2026, the requirements, application process, and important steps you need to know. Dubai Police offers different career paths, including officers, security personnel, specialized roles, and civilian positions. Available vacancies are listed through the official Smart Recruitment System. Before applying, check that you meet the requirements for your chosen position. Requirements may include education qualifications, good conduct, medical fitness, physical tests, and other conditions depending on the role. The first step is creating your profile on the Dubai Police Smart Recruitment System. Fill in your personal details carefully and select the vacancy that matches your qualifications,
including officers, security personnel, specialized roles, and civilian positions.
Depending on the position, you may need identification documents, educational certificates, photographs, and other required paperwork. Successful applicants may need to complete medical checks, physical fitness tests, and other assessments as part of the selection process. After passing initial stages, candidates may be invited for interviews and additional evaluations. Prepare yourself by understanding Dubai police values, discipline, and public service. If selected, recruits begin professional training designed to develop discipline, leadership, technology skills, and law enforcement knowledge. My advice: prepare early. Keep your documents ready. Improve your fitness and always apply through official Dubai Police recruitment channels. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more Dubai guides, jobs, lifestyle, and travel videos.